I won't be doing any gardening today, but it's a nice day because it rained and the plants are happy, looking all green, and my garlic are sprouting. They're sprouting, they're sprouting. They're much happier here because a lot of them are actually sprouting here. Wow. I wonder what the difference are. And some of my garlic over here are also sprouting because I put some in here too. I did put a few over here and it's also coming out now. Look at that. So far there's only three garlic, and the grass is growing. Okay, and look at these vegetables. They weren't lush just a day ago, but look at how big the leaves are again. They're lush again, just like that. It's fast. And so far my okra, they're growing, but just like I said, I wonder if they're gonna make it until December. I didn't get to put any vegetable here. I'll find some, but at least these ones are okay. Okay, they're alive. And these, so far at least, it's also alive. We'll see how they are. By the time they start really growing and lush, probably my other one is gonna be I'm gonna be removing. And then here is okay also, at least a few. I also put some garlic here, and so far look at that. There's a few squash flowers that I need to get before it's wasted and put them in use. Make some omelette again. Got the squash flower and some green onion and garlic chives. I was gonna cook it today, cook some John, but I'm lazy. Tomorrow na lang.